Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So Mzansi is still divided after Musamseleko revealed her fifth wife, which is Usamke Kesana. Samke is 25 and you know Musamseleko is 49 years old, and people are saying go hayibo gele babelumzalana kangaka why Kesana, but we know guys go akekho underage. She's 25 ngisho noma ngabe musamsele kubikana 70 ku-right nje if amthanda ugele. So most people like the fact ukuthi uSamke, she's someone who's very private keswana akathanzi njena kuba out there. We know ukuthi ne-Facebook what is this Instagram account yakhe as private. She's from Durban, Potchefstroom, watalwa mhla ka-29 kukhona nje laphana ku-bio yakhe, and bantu they are actually saying ukuthi they like the fact ukuthi ugele ufunzile sho kona ukuthi uMsamsele kuhamba uyothatha umuntu onjani lofunzile, and people noticed ukuthi bafati bamsamsele guys ngathi batalwa ngumake munye because bayafana ngisho in sizes. Some even made fun of Umusamsele saying ukuthi udla inyama yinye in different plates kesana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.